Previously on VleraBrite.
Mom, you like my Abe Lincoln?
No.
Well, we're putting wheels on the bottom of my amp.
I have to get a lot of school work done before playlist live. It's playlist day. And we made it to our room. Pass, and then they're like, TeraBrite, we have something for you. And we're like, okay, well, that sounds good. We come here and they have.
With the Five Timers Club.
We've been here for 5 years. That's amazing. It's so cool. And then they gave us this picture with Chris. They said it's the only picture that's a good picture, actually. I like it. My hair looks good when it was black.
That's hilarious. This is awesome.
So it says, thank you for 5 years of support and participation. So today's Friday. We've been just running a bunch of errands, checking everyone in. Everyone's been getting here. Tony got here. We're waiting for everybody else. And we're about to show you the yearly Spandy Andy. Let's go find him. I see him over there.
He just pumped it up right now.
Yeah? Oh, he just got it going. That's a cool little radio he got there. I like that.
It has a GoPro on it.
Oh boy.
Oh, Winky is Hey, now I'm recording.
Just have to dance with you guys. Yeah. Can you catch me though? I'm over here. I'm over here.
Oh man. Oh, filling up the crowd again. That's so good. That's a good move.
This is your mic.
Do you have your ears on? Okay, I'm gonna put it in your ears.
Hi, friends. Whoa. Check.
You want more in your ears? Okay.
Why are you doing that right there? It's your crotch, show you that.
Move it!
Well, he came up all close and started like,
Yeah.
Check. 1, 2. Check. That's like a big crumble! That kick is like rumbling, man. That's funny.
Good? Good?
Who's out there? Level, and up there's the lobby, so let's go check it out. It's pretty busy. We just finally got everybody settled in, all of our band. We had sound check, everybody's got their stuff, and we are able to go have dinner now. And it's just been crazy. Look at this!
So they're everywhere.
This is the lobby! It's a really, there's gonna be like 20,000 people tomorrow. Oh! So we sound checked, it sounded good. I have stuff in my in-ears this year, so that's good. And I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't even know how to talk. Let's go outside. So many people.
It's only Friday too. They said there's supposed to be...
Yeah, and it's crazy. There's barricades.
It's supposed to be more than double the people here tomorrow.
Oh my god. It's gonna be a hazard. Alright, so there's like barricades all outside the tower that the artists are staying in, and there's like people standing around them, like just screaming whenever they see someone. It's crazy. And I don't think you can see anything out here, but I think there might be like a little party going on. Let's see. Excuse me. Earlier, DJ danced with Spanny Andy, but I turned the camera off right before it happened, and I was so mad that I missed it. It was really funny. They were booty bumping. Booty bumping.
We were ass clapping.
Oh my gosh, DJ. That's gross. Oh, look at that. Alright, pool party. Awesomeness TV pool party. Until 9.
It's a random ball.
It's freezing out here. I don't know why anybody would go into the pool. I mean, I think it's a heated pool, but it looks pretty empty. I feel like I'm in high school. Like, I used to have to weave in and out of all like the crowd in high school. And I'm so short, like... what are they waving at? Oh.
We're getting down. Yeah!
Woo! Let's play this live. Oh boy.
It smells good over here.
It's really hard to find creators, so because they're all trying to hide because there's mobs of people and it's really scary. Luckily, we're not really being recognized, so that's good. Yeah, one person. I'd laugh if it was Casey. She's like, oh, I'm going swimming. That's funny. So this is what we hear in our room. And the door's closed. Let's go look. Like, what are they doing?
I didn't know we were at a Justin Bieber concert.
We gotta go. So we just went down a creepy elevator, and we're
going back. This.
Oh my god, this is creepy.
This is creepy as shit.
They won't let us. They won't let us walk the normal way because they won't let any artists go because of all the crazy fangirls. And we're like, I can assure you, we're not gonna get mobs. Like nobody's recognizing us. And they're like, all artists need to go down and get a golf cart around. I'm like, dude, the cafeteria is literally down the stairs right here.
There is? Let's see what this is.
Oh god.
It's all this looks right. This looks right.
Oh my god.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah. Whoa.
I mean, this appeared out of nowhere. Which one do you
Stop singing about it.
I waited for you.
Get it with the little cat daddy, wanna duck it, cat daddy. Nothing but bad bitches in here tonight.
You don't know the meaning of cold!
He's from Canada. Dude, slow down. He's like he's being drunk back there.
I put it somewhere.
This is very interesting.
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Share your favorite in life. If you don't, you might not be a troll, but you're not very